Hey girlfriends, Tia Ross here, back with another video, and if you would like to see how I achieved this very simple makeup look with a pop of color to keep it interesting, just keep on watching. Hey babes, so we're just going to get right into the video. We're going to start off with skin prep. I have already went in with a 99% water wipe, and now we're going in with that Khiels moisturizer to moisturize her entire face, but especially those under eyes because that can be the driest part of your makeup.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby,
So now we're moving on to eyebrows, and we are using the Brow Wiz pencil from Benefit in the color 6.
nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball.
So now we're taking that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Beige, and we're carving out her brows. Now we're going in and buffing out that concealer, and I'm bringing it all the way down on her lid for the base for our eyeshadow.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them.
So now I'm going in with her foundation shade to carve out the top of her eyebrows. And this is how I typically match my clients. It makes it a little bit easier because I can tell if the shade is a little bit off if I carve out the brows with the shade first before putting it all over the face. So now we're going in with a brown shade from the Warrior 2 palette. It's the one in the top left-hand corner.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikita. sweet, baby. I ain't stopping. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me.
So now I'm using that same foundation that I used to carve out her brows, and that is in the shade Syracuse in the Nars Radiance Longwear foundation. So now I'm just going in with a damp beauty blender and blending out that foundation. And y'all, don't be afraid to flip that beauty blender around. When I get to the edges of her face, I usually flip it to the bare side of the beauty blender that doesn't have any product on it, so that there's not as much product being placed on the edges near her hair. Sorry y'all, I don't know what happened to the clip with the concealer and the baking process, but I did go in with that same concealer that I used to cut her brows, and I'm baking with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And now I'm going in with a darker foundation shade. I believe it was the shade Tahoe, and I am just bronzing up her face with that darker shade of foundation. So now I'm taking that black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going in with the light to medium, and I'm going in with that middle shade that's in that palette.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Don't open your mouth, you ain't speaking good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. From the crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hit.
So now I'm just lining her waterline with a dark brown pencil from NYX.
Fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had day shifts? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you top me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
So now I'm taking a KKW lip liner in the shade 2.5 and just lining her lips.
Nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the phone, but used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me.
So now I'm taking a lip color from Morphe, and it is from the Nikita Dragun collection. I'm not sure the shade, but you can see it's a nude. I think it was the only nude that they had, so you would be able to know what it is. And I'm just topping her lips off with a Madison Beer lip gloss in the shade Mercury. Top it off with some setting spray, and this is the final look.
Give me all your numbers so I can phone you.
I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.
You got some